Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to load a DVR on a very user-friendly iPhone app and view your camera system. First, go to your App Store and download the EAGLEEYES app. It is a free app provided by AVTECH. After downloading, the app will show you its terms and conditions. You can choose to allow, to accept, and move forward to the main menu. To add a new DVR recorder to the EAGLEEYES app, tap the plus icon on the bottom left side of the screen and choose Manual. Choose a title for the system. Add the IP address as given to you by the installer. Add the port number, for example 8000. Add the username and the password and tap Apply. This will take you back to the main menu. Here you will be able to tap on the username that you chose and view the DVR. See the photo, for example. Make sure that you are not forgetting any letters in between or confusing any letters, as it is a common mistake and will prevent you from logging in. Comment in the comment section below if you have any questions or concerns. Please follow our channels for more instructional videos.